Hi everyone, happy Tuesday! I got a new Sketchbox! I didn't even realize it was going to come today. And I came home and there it was waiting for me. And I'm excited this time because I actually have no idea what's inside. Usually I see some sort of spoiler or sneak before opening this, and I didn't do that this time. So let's go. Cute little art on the front by Jackie Storm. Okay, let's see. Oh yes, I'm excited already. White Posca pen. I got some Posca pens a few weeks back and I loved them. So I am super excited about this. Okay, let's see what this is. Some sort of ink. Let's see. Graphite. Acrylic ink by Amsterdam. Wow, that looks super awesome. Ooh. This looks like some sort of fancy water brush. Like you press right here. Ooh, I'm really excited about that. Really excited about that. I'm always going through these, so that's fantastic. It's like they knew everything I've been wanting. Like, I actually have a list that says white Posca pen and a white pencil. Generals, Scrib all surface pencil. Yes. They knew. This brush. Ooh, look how it's all weird at the top. Oh no. I hope that is okay. Anyway, it says Silver Brush Limited. Tender loving care of artist brushes. Interesting. Let's see if it's bent at the top. I don't know. No, it looks like it'll be okay. Nice. Oops. Okay. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in this one. What is this guy? Oh, calligraphy ink. By Speedball. Awesome. So that's a super black, and here's a white one. Excellent. Excellent. And we also have, I hope my head's not getting in the way too much. This is the first time I've set up in this manner, so I'm hoping it works. I don't know. And then we have another pencil that is a black one. And a little mixed media by Strathmore. Ooh, it's gray. I don't have one of these, and I have never really used them much, so that is exciting. And move this out of the way. We got the artwork by Aaron Ewer. That's really pretty. Very cool. I need to shut off my iPad sounds. And then the Sketchbox menu, per se. We got, yeah, here's the acrylic ink. Retail $7.95, and then we have 2 Speedball acrylic inks, $2.56 each. The Posca fine tip just doodad, $3.99. The pencils. Okay, this water brush, medium tip, $9.89. Very cool. Okay, and then the brush is retail value $10.45, and the Strathmore 4x6 mixed media toned blue, retail price $5. I am so excited to use these. Okay, so I'm gonna pause so I can think about what I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna try to do a little something with these. Eek, the pressure. So while I was trying to decide what to draw, I played with this a little more, and I realized it's so much cooler than I thought. It is a brush that you can, like, put any ink in it that you want, like this graphite. So I'm gonna fill this baby up, because I think this is gonna be really cool. Wow, so that was really frustrating. I'm not sure why, but I could not get that water brush, ink brush to work. It just would not flow through into the bristles no matter what I did. So I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong or if I got a defective one. So I decided just not to use that for this video. I ended up just using a regular brush for the other inks and decided to do a little chickadee since it's black, white, and gray. To be completely honest, I was so frustrated from that pen. I was just like really pushing through the rest of this video because I was almost in a bad mood. I opened the brush at one point and spilled it on my carpet and on what I was wearing. So as if you'll notice, I'm wearing something different at the end of the video than I am at the beginning, and that's because I got the graphite ink all over my dress. Not all over it, but you know, a big splotch. I treated it, so hopefully it will survive, but I kind of doubt it. I thought the black and white calligraphy ink was really nice for washes. The white is fairly opaque, but I was glad to get the Posca pen because that is the key if you want a really opaque white. So I ended up using that for some highlights on the birdie. Also, I just set up a new space in my studio, so this is the first time that I filmed on this desk. So it was a little bit tricky. I gotta work out a few bugs. And as you can see, when I'm drawing here, the exposure isn't great, so I'm slowly learning and going to try to adjust for next time, so bear with me. I'm sorry about that. So wow, that was fun. Thanks for watching my Sketchbox unboxing. I still don't know why I can't get this to flow. Like, it just will not flow out. Like, I've opened it, I've put it underwater. Maybe I'm supposed to poke a hole in something? I don't know. So if you know anything about this and could give me a tip, please, by all means, let me know, because I would really like to use this. But it was very frustrating, and I can't get it to work. So, on a happier note, thanks for watching once again. Please like and subscribe, and look at the links below. Join me on Facebook and Instagram, and if you would be so inclined, on Patreon as well. I would love to connect with you on there. Check it out. Have a great day, everybody.